everybody, we have this lovely patient here with a very overly lovely thick nails. What we're going to do is we're going to try to file it down and make it a little bit more presentable. So how does this happen? Well, loads of things can happen. You can have injury, you can have an infection that deforms the nail plate. Injury can be like a car ran over it, a horse stepped over it, a shark bit it, Stephanie stepped on it. Loads of things. So what we're going to do is just drill it back a little bit first, just to remove the thickness of the nail. And moving it around. Yeah, just underneath. To remove that ingrown bit of nail, to be honest. Literally trying not to cut too much off. We're just doing it very slowly, because when you trim it, it can just go in one go. And then that's it. At least with this. Yeah. That's what? I think that's pretty good already, to be honest.